Could eggs be causing your skin rash? Today we're going to explore how eggs might be affecting your skin and why just cutting them out of your diet might not be enough to get relief. Some people find that eliminating eggs from their diet does not completely clear up their rashes. This can be frustrating, especially when you've already tried so many things. But what if the problem isn't just the egg? While eggs can certainly trigger inflammation in some people due to a reaction against the proteins in the egg, and while this can lead to itchy, inflamed skin, simply avoiding eggs might not be the complete solution. The real issue could be hidden infections in your body that are causing the rash to persist even after you've stopped eating eggs. These infections, like staph bacteria in the skin, multiple viruses in your body, and maybe even a systemic candida infection, are what's really driving your rash. Eating eggs might make these infections worse, and while cutting eggs out of your diet might reduce some of the inflammation, it won't eliminate it completely. Listen, the rash won't fully heal until the infections are treated. Let me tell you about Chelsea. Chelsea had a rash on her arms and chest for 19 years that just wouldn't go away, even after she stopped eating eggs. It wasn't until we treated the underlying infections causing her rash that she finally saw her skin clear up. Here you can see incredible changes in Chelsea's skin. If you're struggling with a rash that just won't go away, I invite you to join my free class. I'll show you how we effectively treat these hidden causes of your skin problems so your skin can heal. Plus, you'll get my free 137-page ebook that is loaded with valuable information to help you better understand chronic skin rashes and how to overcome them. Imagine waking up with clear, healthy skin, free from the rashes that have been bothering you. It's possible when you address the real root causes. Click the link below to sign up for my free class and start your journey to a better skin today.